Good morning. My name is Tommy Swate. I'm both a physician and an attorney. I defend healthcare professionals. I defend medical students, physicians, nurses, respiratory therapists, physical therapists, chiropractors, anybody in the healthcare field that's being attacked by any agency that regulates healthcare. I would like to talk to you about what happens if you're charged with irregular behavior. What happens at the hearing? The Medical Education Credentials Committee makes a determination of whether you've engaged in irregular behavior or not. This committee usually consists of between 15 to 21 people of various education and located in various parts of the country. They make the decision about whether you've engaged in irregular behavior or not. The committee meets in Philadelphia. You have to request a hearing. You have to request to be present in Philadelphia. And I'm here to tell you, if you don't go to Philadelphia, the chances of you winning are not great. If you don't go to Philadelphia with an attorney that has prepared you, who is both knowledgeable in law and medicine, your chances of success are diminished. Many people claim that they're experts because they've showed up at the committee several times and had one or two successes. These people are legends in their own mind. I don't make that claim. I make that claim that I'm going to represent you as both a physician, as a lawyer, and as a physician, I will certainly understand what you are going through. The hearing will mostly consist of the lawyer being a potted plant. That is, the lawyer may make an introductory statement that he's here or she's here to represent you, but the board is going to ask you questions. Whether you win or lose is going to determine on how well you are prepared before you get to Philadelphia. If you arrive in Philadelphia and you haven't not been prepared, and you haven't been prepared with the possible questions they're going to ask, your chances of winning are diminished. Obviously, you wouldn't go into a medical examination without preparing. You wouldn't go into surgery without knowing how to do the surgery. Why should you do anything less? You go to a hearing and you don't know what to do. The committee will be very pleasant. It's not an inquisition. They will ask pertinent questions. I believe that they're there to try to find the truth. I believe that if they can, they'll be pro-student. I believe that. If you're found to have engaged in irregular behavior, they will put this information on your transcript, and this transcript will go out to anyone that gets your step 1, step 2, or step 3 scores. That's the minimal that can happen to you. They can do a whole lot of other things, prohibit you from taking the exam, invalidating your score, just a variety of sanctions they can take. If you do not win at the initial hearing level, do not despair. There's procedures for appealing the decision. And believe me, they have reversed the board before, the hearing board before. But I hope that you will read the bulletin, that you have read the bulletin, and that you will avoid any conduct that can be alleged as irregular behavior. The definition of irregular behavior is so nebulous that almost anything you can do other than to blindly follow the instructions totally may get you labeled as irregular behavior, even though you're not trying to be a cheat. When you're alleged with irregular behavior, really the allegation is that you're cheating and you're trying to make your score higher than it should be. Now, I've yet to find someone in that situation. Of all the medical students I've talked to, I've never found that situation yet, but that's what it means. My name is Tommy Swate, My phone number is 713-377-4860. My alternative number is 832-702-7599. You can look at my website at swatelaw.com. If you have a problem, I'll look forward to discussing and sharing the burden with you. Thank you.